Ace. Pick of the day. Look at this. This is absolutely pick of the day. Pick of the day. Well, yeah, we're debating that. I think it is. I think Steve's correct. I was unbelievable. We need more data. We need more data in the world, mate. That's what we need. Metadata, data, fucking micro data, whatever. We've got to have more of it.
How you going, Valda?
We cannot survive.
Oh, thank you.
There's some button grass. We're going to wait for a break in the weather and before we summit. I'm the Sherpa Corrie. And I'm the local. Yeah.
Yes. He's our guide.
Yeah. If things go to shit, then you need to call on me to call in the toll air. I'll set off the app. Oh dear. Hereby gathered today to remember the fallen, those who fell off the peak, the Valentine's peak.
What about the yin and the yang?
Oh, yeah, well, that's the yin and that's the yang of the mountain. The whiteout and the near whiteout. But we'd have to say we have pick of the day.
Top.
We can allow to say false summit. We're not on top. We're nearly
Sherpa Corrie.
nearly on top. Yes.
Sahib Valda. And I paid for the whole fucking thing.
Dave might get a bit of a laugh out